This looks like I'm watching Bugs Bunny and Teletubbies or something, you know. La 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 la
My,
la. This is
my head's just a
birthday.
balloon.
This is okay. I feel like this is like a game show or something. And 25 words. Here we go, or less, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right.
This looks more like a party at Stonehenge.
Yeah. We're watching Shakespeare, The Tempest or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is holiday snow. I'm cold.
Oh
Yeah.
man, I'm already chilling.
Literally, yeah. That's
Bunga
different.
bunga.
Oh,
Bunga
no,
bunga
oh,
bunga.
yeah, really. Okay.
Mhm.
The cold
Call
lodge. The cold lodge is this one. The cold lodge. Yeah.
This one's kind of nice.
It's kind
That's nice
of
too.
okay. That's not bad. Okay. What is the square root of 464.7 pi? Okay. At least we're bigger.
At least we're not pixelated.
I know. All right.
Hey, I like this one too.
Yeah.
Come on, why are you sitting in the back for, man? Come on, jump up front, have a seat.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, come on. What are you hiding
What
for?
do we smell?
Yeah, really.
He's trying to pick up chicks.
Yeah, that's why. He's got his private phone back there. That's why. Gee, thanks, pal. That's bright, but okay. Those front seats look like toilets there. Like wooden
You know,
toilets or something.
This looks more like a bathroom scene. than
Yeah, I know.
anything.
Yeah. Looks futuristic. Oh, look, a cactus. Yeah. Master Chief. Halo.
Yeah, that one's kind of cool.
Yeah, this does look cool. Yeah, Spartan. We look bigger. Spartan. Each on our own seats. I like that. Spartan 117. And we promise not to teabag. Underwater.
Image will be stuck in my head for quite a while.
Now you know what that means. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Well, you asked.
I did.
You asked. So you're a friend of mine. I couldn't lie. They're just a different kind. Yeah, I don't like this one that much. Yeah.
This one's kind of bland.
Yeah. Whoa. Where's my sunglasses? God.
Wow, that's bright.
Wow. Blinded by the
Lie.
light.
It works, but
Does it-
man,
Does it have a dark mode?
that was the one before, wasn't it? Man, especially on my big screen, I'm like, wake up, okay. It works. I got to give Microsoft credit. Skype, this is working. It's unlimited talking on top.
I'll tell you what, it's doing a really good job of doing this pseudo green screen, don't you think?
Yeah,
Out of
I
everyone.
don't have. I don't. You know, it's cutting off, but it's not bad. Yeah.
Is the processing happening on each of our machines? How does it
know.
work?
Well, I was just looking at my task
not
manager.
sure.
I've got H-top up, and this is a quad-core 10-year-old machine, mind you,
And it works.
like a second-generation Sandy Bridge. And I
Do you all have graphics cards installed?
have an 10-year-old NVIDIA.
Okay.
So,
I think it works
Yeah.
better with the graphics card versus integrated graphics. I think.
well, I'm at 30% CPU utilization, so I'm
bad.
thinking it's probably
Yeah, it's not bad.
on the local machine.
Okay.
I'm just surprised how well it's working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like I said, this is my first test here with Skype. It's been a while. I figure, what the heck? There's unlimited talking, so why not? You know,
Oh, my machine's not even breaking a sweat.
cool. And this is the big conference room. Ooh. Okay.
The last time we used it was 11/13 of last year.
Okay.
This feels like an evil,
I know. Doctor
out.
Evil.
yeah,
Yeah, right.
a group of evil
I know.
Board
supervillains.
members.
We were talking
Yeah.
about Mr. Bond. Welcome to Spectre.
This is what the board table looks like at Microsoft.
Yeah, here, I'll put Ron in the back again. He's Canadian. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, just give it a bit.
This one looks relaxing.
Yeah, see,
too. Yeah.
I thought they were discontinuing support for Linux though, but I guess not.
I don't think so. Anyway, this is cool.